Hi everyone, I'm Robin Zimmerman, and this is Talk of the Town. Elizabeth Greenberg has joined us once again. As you know, she is the Director of Exhibitions for the Coastal Discovery Museum. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So we have the Aldwyth exhibition going on. It is called This Is Not, Aldwyth in Retrospect. And it's going to be at the museum until March 23rd. But we've got a couple of events going on that we really want to tell you about. The first actually kicks off this Thursday,
Yes.
which is the 16th, and it's the community collage.
Yes. So we're in the unique position. My assistant, Tori, is also Aldwyth's assistant, and Tori has collected materials that Aldwyth no longer uses. So her massive collages, if people have seen them, they're done on something called okawara paper. It's this Japanese paper, and they come in big rolls. So we have a big roll of that. Tori has created a sort of Aldwythian border on it, and that's going to be up in the Sea Island room starting on Thursday night is our kickoff event. It's our discovery night, and it is actually full already, which we're excited about. But these are going to be the first people who get to add to our community collage, but then this will be ongoing through March 23rd. So if you come to the museum, the materials will be in the room. You can go, you can either, we have pre-cut materials, we will also have magazines. You can cut your own if you want. You will tape up where you want your little grouping of collage to go, and then we come in, little fairies come in and glue them down at other times.
Right.
So the idea is that over the course of 2 months, we hope to see this collage grow, have the community totally participate in it, and then what do we end up with? We hope it's, an Aldwyth-like collage.
So that's my question. What do you think it's going to end
I
up
don't
looking
know.
like?
Yes.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's really, this is one of these things where you're trying it. It's an opportunity to experience sort of the way she works and the way she looks at things. A lot of the collage materials are from her collection that she's not using anymore. And so I think it's a unique experience to see the show and then try to think through well, how did she put things together? And then you can come in and do that too.
And I love that. It's participatory. Instead of just going and looking at somebody else's work, you actually get to sort of experience it.
Yeah,
Really neat.
So I think it'll be fun.
But call first.
Call first. The room is occasionally closed for a lecture or something like that. So if you're coming just for that, please just call the front desk. They'll let you know that if the room is open.
And then really excited on February the 11th, which is a Tuesday, the documentary of her life.
Yes,
right?
yes.
And the director will be, the cinematographer will be coming.
Yes, so Olympia Stone, I think are we at 4 years ago, I think, made this film, contacted Aldwyth and was fascinated with her. Olympia's father was a gallery director in New York who knew Aldwyth, so that there's a reason, there's a connection there. And anyways, it's a wonderful documentary, and it never, because it came out during COVID, it never was screened on the island. It was supposed to be, but it got canceled. And so it ran on PBS for a couple years, but it never actually had a real screening. So we're doing a real screening. We're bringing Olympia for a Q&A, which is exciting. She's coming down from North Carolina. We'll have, popcorn and drinks, so it'll be a little bit festive too. And so we're looking forward to that.
And maybe Aldwyth would show up.
Maybe she will show up. You have to come and see.
You have to come and find out. And you need to make a reservation if you can, because just of the room.
Yes, the room's a certain size, so we encourage people to make reservations ahead of time. It's $10. If you're a member, it's free. But if you don't, the day of, absolutely call and come along if there's room.
Yep. And it's called Aldwyth Fully Assembled.
Yes.
And that will be February the 11th from 5 to 7.
Yes.
How long is the documentary itself?
I think it's about an hour, if I remember.
Okay, perfect. So this has been an outstanding exhibition.
It is,
Is it really, are people enjoying it?
Oh, yeah. And they're coming back multiple times. Oh, yes. I've had numerous conversations. No, there's so much to look at. You can really spend a lot of time looking at each thing. And
this, you brought these cigar
boxes.
So what is that all about?
Yeah, this is about, our Thursday night program, along with starting the collage, then after that, everybody's going to get to do their own cigar box. She has this major work in the show called Cigar Box Encyclopedia. It's 26 different cigar boxes, and they are indeed all different. They're not the same type of cigar box. And then on that, she did collage and bricolage. They're very they're 3D, and they're humorous and smart. I mean, you can spend a lot of time looking at just each cigar box.
Wow.
So anyways, we're going to have people do those as well.
Very cool. Elizabeth, thank you so much. And please check out this exhibit at the Coastal Discovery
Yes.
Museum and these two events. Just go to the website if you have questions. Thanks, Elizabeth.
Yes, thank you.